Hey guys, it's Misa. I wanted to show you the two slotted designs in this new fall half round set. It's, I think, my first interchangeable file, and I'm so excited to start working on the other holidays, Christmas and Easter, and I have some fun things planned, but right now we're looking at some fall ideas. And I just wanted to talk about the slot sizing because it often gives people trouble. It gave me trouble for such a long time. And so I tried to design this file in a way that would just be kind of plug and play and really easy for you. So the things that I've got going on here are, we've got the little shelf sitters. So this is the stand for the little shelf sitter. And then we've got the Votive little tea light holder, which is for the electronic tea lights, not the real flame tea lights. So we've got two base options, and let's see. And then we've got 4 little half round designs that you can fit in here. So we've got, if you can kind of see, Thanksgiving or giving thanks. You could read it both ways. A hello full. And aren't these beautiful? They're cut out of sapele plywood. It's really beautiful. All right, that one is this little pumpkin truck, the little license plate. And this is the one with the open wreath, and you can just add any sort of like letter or monogram or like weld words in here. It'd be super cute with like Mr. and Mrs. going across here. You could just weld that in a design program. But I've just done a kind of monogram letter, and that's Times Roman bold. So that's a pretty accessible font. Okay, and then I've got this kind of blank backer, and that will be part for the votive holder. So with the backers, with the stands, what I've done is you'll need to measure your wood. Now you can do that with calipers, and then pick the slot size base designs that is most closely related to what your measurement was. So I have provided you slot sizing from 0.09 inches all the way to 0.25 inches, going up with 1/10 of an inch. So that's 14 different slot sizes in each of these. So really, you could just take a slot sizer, and this is a free file from Big Blue Laser. I just love this thing. I use it all the time. So you could take your wood that you're about to cut, peel back the masking, and then fit it in your slot sizer and decide the fit that you like. So the 14 is really loose, that would be wobbly. The 12 is super tight if I just really wanted a super snug permanent fit, and I really wanted to maybe like hammer this down a little bit with a rubber mallet and have it be pretty permanent. I probably would pick the 0.12 here, but this 0.13, I think for something I want to be able to collapse and take things in and out and redo the fronts and just change those with the seasons, I picked the 0.13. So I went into the file, and I went into the backer section of the folders, and then just grabbed the one that said 1/3, because I know that that is 1/13 of an inch. Okay, so I printed those out. And so for the votive holder, you'll just put the backer in one side, see here, and then you just pick which template you want for the front. Okay, so these stick in really nicely, guys. They're tight, but also you can move them around. Okay, and then you would just set your little electronic votive right there in the middle. Okay, so snug but not too loose, and so you could just change these up. Okay, there's the truck, hello fall, boop, and Thanksgiving. So these, you could start these in October and move them, you know, just change the front depending, all the way through November. That would be fun. So that's how this works. The little shelf sitters work in the same way, right? So you just have them. It's nice with the backer part, it keeps these in one place, but come on, little guy. There we go, little jiggle. Okay, but super cute on a desk or on a mantle, just cute little shelf sitters here. And so you can just trade out your designs between all these fall options. And then again, when I have the other seasons out, they can change with the seasons. I hope that was helpful, guys. Thanks so much.